I'm not trying to resist you. That's what you pulled me over for.
Okay. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car now.
You cannot do that.
Get out of the fucking car.
What are you doing, man?
Grab his hands. Grab his hands!
What is...
Welcome to the John Legato Show. I'm John Legato. You know, I've asked many times for people to subscribe, but now I'm turning this over to my cousin, Vinny the Viking.
Thank you for watching the video. If you don't hit subscribe, I will come and pillage your village. Press the button. Press it now. Press it.
You know, the auditing handbook requires asking the same question over and over and over again, hoping for a different answer.
What did I do? Why'd you pull me over?
You didn't stop at the stop sign right there
I did stop
at Palmetto and Bates.
That's my insurance card. I stopped at the stop sign.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
Which stop sign did you say I didn't stop at?
Bates and Palmetto.
Did you pull me over again?
I've already told you this. How many times do I need to tell you?
Yeah, well, this would be the second time if you could tell me.
Okay,
And why
sure.
did you pull me over?
You failed to stop at the stop sign.
And where was I at? Here, you want the window down?
You're traveling north on Palmetto.
Okay, north on Palmetto, but where were you?
Behind you.
Perpendicular, you were behind me. So did you put your blinker on?
All right, do you have your driver's license on? You're going to give me your driver's license or not?
You're fucking lying.
Sure.
So
Where are you coming from?
that's relevant. You pulled me over for what?
I'm just asking where you're coming
You
from.
pulled me over for
I ask
what?
everybody.
Why did you pull me over? What was I doing that was illegal?
Listen, you can calm down. I know you think
that was illegal.
I just told you. You
just
ran a
told me
stop
what?
sign.
I didn't run a stop sign because you weren't behind me. So tell me.
Listen, you can calm down. I know you think
that was illegal.
I just told you. You
just
ran a
told
stop
me what?
sign.
I didn't run a stop sign because you weren't behind me. So tell me why you pulled me over.
I got to tell you again? This is going to be the fourth time.
No, this would be the third time
Okay.
on your fucking camera, on your voice recording.
All right, well, just hang tight right there for me, okay?
We're all adults here, and we've all been drunk or we've been around drunks. So let's take a wild guess here.
Yeah,
Hey,
I
brother.
know.
Hey, brother.
Yes, sir.
It's Officer Lopez. What's going on? Where are you heading to?
Where are you headed to?
Am I stepping out of the vehicle for me, please?
No, I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
I'm
What
asking
did I
you to
do?
step out.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Now, some people are funny drunks. Some are horny drunks. And this guy is a fighting drunk.
I
You
do.
step out.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. I didn't do anything wrong. What'd you pull me over for?
You ran a stop sign at Palmetto.
Let me turn my camera on my phone.
That's fine.
Okay. So what'd you pull me over for?
Like I said, you ran a stop sign at
Okay,
Palmetto.
so why are you asking me to step out of the vehicle? You can write me a
Because I can
ticket
ask
for
you-
running a stop sign.
That's fine.
If that's what you say
I'm
that I did.
I'm afraid you're a little bit intoxicated today.
You're afraid what?
You're a little bit
I'm
intoxicated.
afraid nothing. I didn't do anything wrong.
Step
Nothing.
out of the vehicle.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. I will not step out of the vehicle.
Turn the vehicle off,
I'm
man.
I will not turn the vehicle off.
Turn it off.
I'm not turning the vehicle off. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
If you keep pulling your fucking taser over there, that's a fucking jurisdiction illegal to the fucking right or whatever it is.
Well, I bet the cops didn't know that this guy had a Juris Doctor's degree from Harvard Law. This can change the whole thing now.
If you keep pulling your fucking taser over there, that's a fucking jurisdiction illegal to the fucking right or whatever it is.
Listen,
When
I'm asking
trying
you to
go,
step.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. Why did you pull me over?
I can ask you to step
Why
out.
did you pull me over? I'm not trying to resist you. That's what you pulled me over for.
Okay.
Correct?
Correct, but I need you to get out of the
you
vehicle.
said correct. So what am I doing that's
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car now.
Get out of the car now.
You cannot do that.
Get out of the fucking car.
What are you doing, man?
Grab his hands. Grab his hands!
What did I fucking do, dude?
Get on your stomach.
Hello. Hello. What am I doing that's so wrong? What did I do?
We know that all auditors never resist arrest.
What did I do? What did I legally
Resisted
fucking
my
do?
commands. That's what you
I
did.
resisted what? What did I resist?
You're not getting out of the car.
I don't have to get out of the car legally, sir.
Yeah, you do.
No, I do not.
I can ask you to step out of the vehicle.
No, I do not. Are your cameras on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let
Good.
me check you, man.
You can check me.
Hey,
Chill out. Yeah, I don't got nothing to fucking chill.
I just got.
I'm not fucking resisting you guys.
You are.
No, I am not.
You were.
How am I? Because of my legal fucking rights? I'm not resisting you. Can you loosen that cuff a little bit?
It's
It's cut my circulation off. I don't got no weapons on me, no drugs on me. There's no drugs in the car. There's no nothing. You pull me over for fucking not failure to stop at a stop sign. Ow!
listen.
I am listening.
You're not listening.
I am too listening. This is on camera, correct? Yep. This on camera.
You know, I got to give this warrior some credit. He appears very impaired. He's screaming. He's in pain. He's resisting. Yet the man's main concern now is a lawsuit. Where's the camera?
Ow! This is on camera, correct? Yep. This on camera. This is on camera.
It is.
Back at the police station. Now, every state's different, but in a lot of states, refusal to take a breathalyzer is punishable by a 1-year suspension of your license. And in other states, officers will get a court order for a blood test, and that order is non-negotiable. We'll get your blood. So does anybody have any idea which way this guy will go? Going to cave or be the a-hole that he's been?
Okay, so what am I arrested for again?
So,
Failure to stop at the stop sign.
There's a resisting charge.
Resisting arrest without violence, because there was no violence.
So they believe you might be under the influence of alcohol at this
Yeah,
time.
but that's not what you arrested me for. I'm already in the jail. I'm already booked. I'm already fucking here.
That's so, Mr. David.
So on camera.
Yep, mine's on camera right here.
Okay, good. So what was I arrested for? Because I didn't get Miranda rights.
I taught criminal justice at the college level. And there's a misunderstanding about the Miranda rights. The only time you must advise them of their rights is if you're going to question them. So in other words, you can arrest them, cuff them, bring them anywhere. But as long as you don't ask them a question, you don't have to advise them of their rights.
All right.
Whatever you say.
So the whole reason I'm up here, I have nothing to do with the case of stop, nothing like that. The only reason I'm up here is I am a state certified breath test operator, okay?
I'm not doing shit. You're not fucking doing nothing to me. You already threw me in a holding cell. I'm bleeding.
Because you were
I'm bleeding because I was what? A failure to stop at a stop sign. That's it. I'm not talking.
Mr.
Put me
David,
back in the cage.
Sit.
Put me back in the cage.
Mr. David, you're gonna sit.
I got nothing else to say to you. I'm not
Okay, I don't
doing
care if
any
you have
tests.
nothing
I'm
else
not
to
nothing.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop talking.
I'm not doing anything.
Then stop talking. You have a scrape because you refuse to get out of the car from what I understand.
And I've been respectful. I ain't even do nothing to y'all, man.
You've been disrespectful to me from the rip on this. I got nothing to do with this and I've explained that to you. Alright, you consistently talked over me, you try to be argumentative with me. I have nothing to do with that stop whatsoever. I'm here to do this machine and this machine only.
I'm not doing it.
Okay? But you've been...
I give you everything. I'm not blowing. I'm not doing nothing. I will not do it. I refuse. I refuse on camera that I'm not doing it.
That's fine. You can refuse all you want. Stop talking now. Alright? If you want to talk, don't want to refuse to do anything like that, then just stop talking.
Ron White, the comedian, said, he has the right to remain silent. He just doesn't have the ability.
If you want to talk, don't want to refuse to do anything like that, then just stop talking.
What was I under arrest for again? Did I get pulled over for failure to stop at a stop sign?
No, I'm not doing that stop.
Okay, so then there's nothing that you can tell to me right now.
Why are you arguing with me?
Because that's why I got pulled over.
Okay,
that's
then
why I
why are you
got
asking?
repeatedly said on discovery in the vehicle multiple times about why I got pulled over was failure to stop. And for the 7th time, I had to get told, for the 7th time, I'm not telling you again, for the 7th time, I got pulled over for what? Failure to stop. So now that I'm in the police department, I got ripped out of the I'm not in the police department. Okay, so now that I'm in the jail for a failure to stop, I got ripped out of the car for a failure to stop. No Miranda rights read on a failure to stop. For a cop that wasn't even on the same street, which no camera and no discovery can disclose, for a failure to stop, is now...
I have to end this video because this guy's starting to make legal sense to me. I don't know how you guys are doing.
For a failure to stop. No Miranda rights read on a failure to stop. for a cop that wasn't even on the same street, which no camera and no discovery can disclose, for a failure to stop, is now wanting me to do something that isn't why they even fucking pulled me over to begin with. Unlawfully arrested me, unlawfully threw me in handcuffs, unlawfully me bleeding over a failure to stop.
Anyone want to take a guess how this ends? Yeah, let's get to it.
You're fucking so fucking full of shit right now.
Yeah.
I hope your cock's hard, dude, because there's nothing that you could do to me right now.
Listen to Jim, we can process.
Okay, so what am I being arrested for?
DUI and resisting.
So our law scholar has a few felonies that he can argue in court. But as the saying goes, a lawyer who represents himself has a fool for a client. The John Legato Show is being broadcast from outside the gates of Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune in beautiful North Carolina. Please subscribe and like. Semper Fidelis.